Hello guys. How are you? My name is Marquez. I am here to tell you the whole truth about Vigalix. First, I will use the word tool to refer to you big friend down below. Because this video can be excluded, okay? If you're looking for more information about this product and want to preserve your health, watch this video until the end because I will tell you about the side effects, how to get better results, and where to buy it safely. I also have some really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. So the first thing is, watch out the website where you're going to purchase Vigalix from, because currently this product can only be sold on its official website. I have seen Vigalix being sold on fake websites, and fake products can harm your health. So to help you, I am leaving the link to the only official website below in the description of this video. You can click there later and see a little bit more about this product. So what is Vigalix and does it actually work? The answer is yes. If you want to boost your sexual performance and increase your erection signs, this supplement is for you. Vigalix is a natural male enhancement meant to increase the size of your tool, while also offering you better sexual performance. Unleash the inner beast again with this unique sexual supplement. Ideal for men of all ages, Vigalix is a natural daily supplement that will make any man feel like a new man in just a few days. What is the best way to take Vigalix? Every bottle contains 60 capsules, made with the finest quality ingredients, and according to the makers of this product, you should take 2 pills every day with a glass of water, and they also suggest taking the product consistently over a few weeks for maximum benefits. What are the side effects? This supplement has no side effects. It contains only natural ingredients, eliminating the risk of allergies or any other negative consequences. From a medical point of view, the pills are safe and are the only alternative to surgical intervention in the length of the tool. So you can trust this product. There are many people having great results, and you can have great results as well. However, you just need to keep in mind that each body reacts in a unique way. This supplement is highly tested, and it is manufactured in a GMP-certified laboratory, and each and every bottle comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. What that means is you can actually test the product, and if you don't like it for any reason, if you don't see results, they will give you your money back, no questions asked. So, if you want to strengthen your erection and get new sensations from intimacy, Vigalix is the best solution for you. Just remember to take your treatments seriously and take the product every single day. So guys, I really hope this video helped you, and I also really hope that Vigalix helps you improve your life. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.